ever feel like even though you're trying really hard to study, you're just not productive, like things are not getting inside of your brain and you're just staring out the window, or you're reading the same phrase over and over and over? Like, guys, I have the solution for you. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Hey guys, Lily here. This is the Dr. Indudo channel, and I'm all about helping overwhelmed female college students get their shit together, get better grades, have more time for what really matters to them in life. And yeah, so if you feel like that's the channel for you, hit the subscribe button down here. Don't forget to hit the bell button as well to get notified of when I have new content for you guys, which is always Thursdays. So today I'm going to teach you the Pomodoro technique for studying. It's really simple. It sounds dangerously simple, but it's really effective. You're going to need a timer of some sort. There are kitchen timers, there are apps for that. So if you search on your app store, there are Pomodoro timers, like a ton of them. Seriously, pick any of those. There are some websites as well. I'm going to leave the link down below for the website that I use sometimes. You get the timer, you set it for 25 minutes, okay? 25 minutes, and you're going to commit to get shit done in those 25 minutes. You better not watch your phone, you better not go on Facebook, you better not go on Instagram. I'm telling you, these 25 minutes are sacred. You're going to study and you're going to make the most out of those 25 minutes. And then after the timer goes off, you put it for 5 more minutes, and in those 5 minutes you get up, you go out of your desk, you go out of your bedroom or any study area that you're in, you go take a walk, you go to the bathroom, but you're going to get up and do whatever you want for 5 minutes. And after that timer goes off, after those 5 minutes are done, you're going to study for another 25 minutes. And that's essentially it. On your 4th break, you're going to take a 15-minute break. So it's a little bit longer, you can relax for a little bit more, but that's the gist of it. You're going to work for 25 minutes and take 5-minute breaks. On your 4th break, you take 15 minutes off. That's it, guys. It's really simple, but it helps you concentrate, so you will get more done, because in those 25 minutes you're fully committed, but you also don't burn out like in an hour study session, because you're taking consistent breaks, and breaks are really important for studying. I might do a little video on that because I've been studying about studying a lot, and it's really essential for you to take a break, because it helps you get concentrated, it helps you learn, and I'm serious, guys, take those breaks. But yeah, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe and the like button if you like this quick tip, and let me know on Instagram how that went for you, and I promise you, you get great results with that. I actually got my grades much better after that, because my study sessions were effective after that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!